Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So this is a loser unboxing. Let me see. Oh, my address. Sent to So I opened it up because I was thinking this was something else, and then I opened it up, and then, oh, what is this? I am so surprised. Let's open it up. Look at the packaging. This is such a good packaging. This is why I got confused, because it's totally very well packaged, and you do not feel the ding dinguli dangu dang, and it's just a good packaging. So I couldn't figure out what it is. So this is something that I waited for a long time. You know, before I shop. There is a shop in Stanford Shopping Center selling it, and open it up. I hope I can reuse it. Oh, this is not good. Not easy. Okay, a little bit damaged. So this is it. So cleansing oil, and for sensitive skin, and this cleansing oil for sensitive skin is, the color is darker, and just normal cleansing oil is, the color is a little bit lighter, and I like it very much. Look at the packaging. I love it. And so I do not know where I got this idea many years ago, and I wash my face with any of the face washer, and then I just feel that something get into my eyes, very sabik bugu, and then I think I find online there was one person make a cleansing oil, cleanse her face. So she just applied this oil and put on her face, and a couple of seconds or 1 or 2 minutes later use the towel to clean it, and it's very moisturizing. You feel so rich and so smooth. So I bought it. Since I bought it, I could not live without it. Well, I can't live without it. It's been some time I did not live with it. So but it's really very comfortable. And just a couple of days ago, because whenever you buy something, this company will keep on sending you email about their company news and everything. And I received email from Muji. This is from Muji, and Muji is filing for chapter 11 or chapter 13, chapter something. Anyway, I did not know exactly what it is, but I can sense that they are going get a bankrupt protection. So I was so sad, because I need it to, I like it, I enjoy it to use for cleansing. And if it is disappear, then I will not have that joy of using them. And finally, they say that you can, their online store keeps serving the customer. You can get exactly the same thing at the same price, only online. And if you want to buy something, And if you want to buy something in store, their store is closed. So the other day I passed by Stanford Shopping Center. I went to Stanford Cantor Museum, and I passed by there, and there are a lot of Stanford Shopping Center, a lot of shop opens, but only Muji is closed. It's kind of sad. Anyway, so I decide to buy it. Why do I buy so many? They do not have free shipping. So if you buy $10, $20 something, it's $10 shipping. I think their start fee is a certain fee. Anyway, until I have tried and I have made different combination. Finally, this is the price. I think I paid $10 shipping to buy this. They do not have a free shipping. They are not. I bought from Muji store, not from Amazon. So there's no free shipping. You need to pay shipping. I am so happy I finally got it. So let's take a look. This is the cleansing oil, and you see there's a lot of oil. Oh, this hand I should not wash, but anyway. Now I will wash it out. You wait. And you can use a hand towel, or you can use a towel to clean it up, but we have hand towel, so I always use hand towel. And I can use this hand towel to clean up my table surface if I need. So it's very, very smooth. I don't know if you can see it. My skin has so many freckles. Not only my face has freckles, even my hand. See, I am the most a la mode. Gosh, how can you beat me? The muscle is here. The muscle is here. Look at it. I have muscle. I have freckles. Gosh, everything. I am the leading force of the world. May force be with you. I am the leading force. And this one also very, very comfortable. So when I finish this, I will change this top and use as a pump. It's very, very fun. I like to use pump. I still have some of these. So I still have some of these empty bottles I can keep on using, and I like it. You know, the shape design is pretty good. And if you go to swimming pool, if you go to take it away, it's not too big, and you can. It's all interchangeable. If you use the oil, you can change into this top and cover it up. Go to travel for a month or something. 1 week will be a little bit too much, but 1 month or something will be quite good. And for this moisturizing milk, they have different. They also have different degree or different texture and different feel. This is high moisturizing. I like it the most. I have tried light moisturizing milk and moisturizing milk, which is medium, and this one is high. This high feels the most comfortable for now, for me. And the light one, you feel that is quite watery, and you put a lot of time, it's always not getting dried. And this one is just perfect. After some time, you get dried and very, very moisturizing. And what else? And they have even more essence, even more condensed than this one. But this one is just perfect. When you finish a shower, put it, put some pumps and put on your body. It's very, very comfortable. And why I buy it, the best thing is that they have no fragrance. All of this, no fragrance. Not even lemon fragrance. There are some of the same company, some has lemon fragrance or something. This one does not have. I do not like anything with fragrance. I do not like food with fragrance. I do not like food with spice. I do not like tea with fragrance. I do not like cake with fragrance. I like no fragrance, and this is perfect. Anyway, I am so happy. Okay, I got some friends asking, why do you call it loser unboxing? Loser unboxing. I will repeat this story. Sometimes I buy things. Many years ago, I saw one famous YouTuber, and they got a good product, doing a product review, and I was just a sour loser, and nobody provided me anything. So I was thinking, oh, they are winner, chicken dinner. They get good things, and they can review, they get as a gift. Why I am so miserable and I do not get anything? So I'm just a loser. But even if I'm a loser, I still like things. I open up things, and I have equally joy of opening up things. So I call it loser unboxing. And loser unboxing has more joy than winner unboxing. The reason? Because loser unboxing is what I pay from my pocket. I lose my money. I pay from my pocket to buy things. So it's really that's something I love, I like. It's the best praise for the company. And so Muji did not pay me anything, but I like it. So I make this product review and product things. You cannot buy a loser unboxing. Nobody has the honor. Once you are on the list of loser unboxing, you are automatically the best, in my opinion. Okay, so it starts from a sour loser jealousy, and now I start to get some free gift or something. So I start to think, loser unboxing, let me keep it this name and make it a lasting name. So if you do not like it, I hope this story can explain a little bit. So this is why it is called loser unboxing. Loser unboxing is the best, the ultimate praise, appreciation, respect for the product. I love you, I really do. Do. Bye, friends. Bye. Oh, I'm so comfortable. I like it. I think next time, I still do not know why I buy this. The shipping fee is $10. If I buy 4 of them, shipping fee $10. 3 of them, shipping fee $10. If I buy 6 of them, shipping fee $20. So I have tried a lot, tried different combination and combination and combination and oh gosh, 排列和组合. Suddenly I forgot this word. Combination and oh wow, combination and let me ask myself. Permutation. I have tried all the combination and permutation, and finally I figure out this is the best way of ordering. So maybe you can find next time. This is 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Maybe within 1,000, it's $10 fee, and it might be by weight. It might be by the volume, but by the volume, the weight, or this is actually volume because it's a liquid. It might be by volume or by the total cost, total price. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do.